Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you my first Halloween video on my channel. This is a tiger makeup tutorial. I did this one year for Halloween and it was so much fun and I really wanted to show you guys it, so here it is. So I'm first just going to be doing a light layer of foundation as a base for everything. I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this video because I tried talking in it, but it made the video way too long, so I'm just going to be doing a voiceover. Now I'm going to start with the white parts. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Color Mixer in white. You can use a white concealer or a white face paint for this. And I'm just applying this all over my eyelids and on my upper lip, my jawline, and on my cheek. For the orange, I'm scraping off some orange eyeshadow into a lid and mixing it with foundation to create orange face paint, but you could just get that as well. And I'm just applying this wherever there isn't white and down on my neck. Now I'm going to set everything with the Coastal Scents Contour Palette, the white shade, and I'm going to put that on all the white areas. Then I'm going to use a mixture of the dark and light brown color for all the orange areas. This is going to set everything and just help deepen it up and make it last all night. Elf waterproof liner. You can use any black liner and fill it in the very tip of my nose. Then draw a line above the tip of the nose so there's a gap in the middle. Then fill that in with a light pink lipstick, eyeshadow, or blush. Now I'm going to start on the stripes, first using the white again just drawing along the sides of my nose and then going in with the black right next to the white. I'm basically drawing little lines right next to each other along areas, and all together it looks like stripes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Tiger stripes aren't all the same, just have fun. Then I'm drawing stripes down my cheekbones and then down my cheeks. Then I'm creating basic winged eyeliner and filling in my lid with the black. I'm just creating little lines along that like stripes are coming out of the eyeliner. I'm just creating a V shape down my tear duct to the center of my under eye, and then filling in my waterline with a black eyeliner. Then I'm drawing stripes from the middle of my forehead out to the sides of my forehead on each side. Then I'm filling in my lips with a white lipstick. And drawing some more stripes down the hollows of my cheeks down to my lips. And all the way around my jawline. Then filling that area in with white stripes. I'm filling in the center of my lips with black lipstick. And connecting my lips to the stripes. I went in with stripes anywhere I felt like it was needed at this point, just to complete the look. So this is pretty much the completed tiger makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.